the national team a goalkeeper to join Cape United to assist us with the problem which we are having with the goalkeeping problem, which had actually given us problem, and we're almost losing hope because it was derailing our hopes. But I'm very happy to say that our hopes have been rekindled. Mr. Arubi is here. We all know his experience, and in that position we need a leader in the field of play, and we have him in the form of Mr. Arubi. Our vision is still the same as we said earlier on, or we have been always saying that we are gunning for the championship. We are not worried about what is happening on top there. We have to be worried about our own team, Cape United, knowing our problems, and we are solving that problem. So allow me to welcome Mr. Washington Arubi to the green machine for the next 2 years. He's not coming alone to demonstrate our seriousness. He's coming with also another decorated, a young goalkeeper, 24-year-old goalkeeper, Botswana national team goalkeeper, is arriving at 4 p.m. So we are serious with this project. And we know where our problems are, and we know what we want to do. Maybe I'll talk about that later. I would like to also thank some of our fans. I'm enjoying one of the clips which has been put. People are saying we decided to sideline, to put aside the goalkeeper we had because of the mistake which he made against the triangle.